Hey guys, how's it going? Cyrus back with yet another video. So today's video, I don't even know what's going to be going on fully. I just kind of want to give you guys a quick little update on what's been happening with the garage so far and how far we've come. So I've just been cleaning it the past few days. That's why I haven't really uploaded the video, just because I've been coming back and forth from my house to my apartment, trying to make sure I got everything. But I'm going to give you guys a quick little update on what the garage is looking like. So boom. As you guys remember, there used to be stuff all over the walls. There used to be the shelves over there. There's nothing over there. All that's left in the garage is the EK, the B18 tranny, the B18 block, my Type R exhaust. That's pretty much it's all in here. Everything else is pretty much either gonna get thrown away. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end up repainting these walls. I feel like I should, but we'll see how that goes. I'll talk to the realtor, see what they say about it. So I have a EK lip right there and an EK rear lip. I don't know what you call rear lips. I guess rear lips, I don't know. But here, let me show you guys what I'm working with. I got two sets of wheels in there, my OEM Type R's, and some 15x8s with a plus 20 offset that are sitting in there too. I'm actually gonna sell those, so if you're interested in a wheel that's 15x8 with a plus 20 offset, let me know. Here, I'm gonna show you guys what my shed looks like. This has been the biggest thing that I've been, I guess not avoiding, but this is like the last thing I have to do is clear out my shed in my backyard. So you can see I got car parts over here, got a bunch of stuff, just like a bunch of old stuff that's mine. And yeah, so a good thing is my neighbor, he's about to come over in the next 20-30 minutes or so, and I told him he can have majority of the stuff that he wants. So like these cabinets I'm gonna get rid of, a lot of these containers and the stuff that's in the containers I'm gonna get rid of. I'm just gonna let him have it. So yeah, I got a bunch of towels for housework I'm gonna get rid of. Yeah, I got so much stuff I still gotta get rid of. A lot of this is gonna be trash, but a lot of it I'm just gonna put in storage. So, yep. You guys have seen my backyard maybe like once or twice. But yeah, so yeah, that's a quick update of where I'm at right now for the week. I don't even know what else I'm gonna put in this video, but this is just the intro of the video. So stay tuned because it's about to get crazy, I hope.
2 days later.
Hey, what's up guys? So it's been a couple days since the last clip you guys seen, so I just want to give you a quick update on everything that's been happening. So just a heads up, we've cleared the garage. Everything in the garage is basically clear. Only thing that I really have left would be the transmission, my OEM exhaust for the Type R, and it's like a bunch of random stuff. So right now I'm actually redoing this part of the wall because it had a bunch of dents in it from where I like rear ended. And let's see, not with the Type R though, a long time ago. So we're just gonna be replacing that with some drywall, and just go ahead, replace it, make sure all the dents are gone before we get the house ready for sale. And I'm gonna repaint the whole garage white. And then I have a little bit of spots that I need to take care of on the inside. Oh, I guess I also have this lip and this front lip, well, the rear lip and the front lip. But other than that, everything is ready to go. I got everything out of the garage here. Everything's in my garage at the apartment, and I can go ahead and start working on the cars, really. So I pretty much just have to do a little bit of stuff left when it comes to getting the house ready for sale. And yeah, other than that, everything's moving along at a pretty good pace. So I'm pretty happy about that. Turn the camera back around. So be excited about that. We're about to get right back into the card mods and stuff of that nature. Also, I got some huge news coming up. So I've been talking to some companies. We might actually have some sponsors coming for the channel pretty soon here. So be on the lookout for that. We'll hopefully have some reviews of products happening pretty soon here and other things of that nature. So be on the look at that. Also, another thing, we will be at the Texas Honda meet tomorrow. Well, the FK8 meet tomorrow. The one that's going to be in Austin. So if I see any of you guys there, you'll probably end up watching this video after that. I don't know. I might do 2 separate videos for that. I don't know. We'll just have to see. But so be on the lookout for that video, and yeah, just be on the lookout for all the announcements we got. So with that being said, I'm gonna get right back to it. Right now, I'm headed back to Austin. I'm gonna drop off the stuff that I have in the back in storage, minus like the 4 chairs that I have in the back right now. Those are gonna go in my apartment. After that, what I really need to do is clean my car up and detail it and wash it for the Texas FKA meet tomorrow, and be ready for that, and you know, get things done for that. I really want to do a video for that. I feel like it'll be fun, kind of like what I did, I think it was 2 years ago at the last FK8 meet. Usually when it comes to my videos, I kind of just try to wing it and have fun, and whatever happens at the editing station, it happens. So that's usually how that goes. I don't ever go too deep into planning. I probably should. I feel like my videos would probably be a lot better if I actually like took the time to like actually detail and plan out my videos a lot better. I try to do that with the B18C1 videos, and I like doing that, so I might end up doing that more. And yeah, be on the lookout for a video of the Texas FK8 meet. That's gonna be happening tomorrow. I'll probably have the video up a couple days after that. So yeah, I'm gonna try to have this video up tonight and give you guys something to watch. Like I was saying, what I wanted to do was kind of like bring you guys along with me the entire ride of me like prepping the house and things of that nature. But like literally the past like week, I've literally just been doing the same thing, just going there and taking a little bit of stuff back, putting it in storage, or selling it, putting it up on Facebook Marketplace, things like that. Yeah, I figured that would get kind of boring, so I just decided not to enter all that. I just kind of kept it simple and just like give you guys like a vague understanding of what's been going on. You guys haven't been missing out on anything. Unless you guys want to see me pick up some boxes, I could do that for y'all. Hey, so what's up guys? Now we're back on the road. We're headed back to Austin. I just wanted to take a little bit of time to talk to you guys, kind of like give you guys a little brief rundown of like kind of like the direction I want to take the channel and stuff. So really, when it comes down to Syrious Media, what I really want for Syrious Media and the things that I want to achieve, really, I really just want to build a lot of fun cars. I think that's what it comes down to is I really like to experiment. I really like to modify cars, and I really like recording myself do it, and I have a really fun time editing. So like when it comes to things like the B18C series and things of that nature, I really like doing that stuff. I really like doing cinematography. So if I can continue to do cinematography and if I can continue to do car mods, I'd really appreciate being able to continue to do that. So I feel like that's kind of like the main direction and the main track I want to stay on when it comes to doing a lot of stuff on YouTube. So when it comes down to it, at the end of the day, car cinematography and car mods. And as long as I can keep doing that, I'm happy. Getting to talk to you guys, hearing you guys, like what do you guys have to say in the comments and things like that, all the help you guys have given me. I really like that, and I hope to keep that as a part of the channel. Well, it's kind of like a part of YouTube in general, but you know what I'm trying to say. I love you guys. Appreciate you. But yeah, other than that, like when it comes down to the FK8, what I want to do with this car, I want to do a lot more tracking with it. I want to head back to the track as soon as I can. Just get more seat time in, and then eventually upgrade myself to the L2 and L3 track at the track that I usually go to, so I can get out of the beginner stages and stuff of that nature. When it comes to the EK hatch, what I really want to do is swap this B18C1 in it. And also, like I was saying, when it comes down to like sponsors and things, we might be able to carry the car in a completely different direction eventually, so we'll see about that. Stay tuned. Hopefully, I don't want to give too much out and everything kind of just like fall through, but stay tuned for that. We might actually have some big things coming with the channel, so hopefully everything goes smooth on that end of things. But when it comes to the EK, I really just want to finish the swap on it, the B18C1 swap. I really want to have that as a trackable daily. Like I want to drive that car a lot more than I drive my Type R, if possible. That's like the end-game goal for the EK, and just to have a lot of fun with it, off and on the track and off and on the street. Kind of like what I'm doing with this car, but I want to use the EK a lot more. So that's kind of the direction I really want to take the channel. I really want to keep up with the cinematography. I really want to keep up with the car mods. I really want to get back on the track. You know, I've only had like 2 track days, and I want to go ahead and progress even further because I really like it. I really like there being on the track. I like the feel, I like the adrenaline rush, you know what I mean? What do you guys think? What are some things you would really like to see from Syrious Media, the channel? What do you guys think I should do? Any ideas? What do you guys want to see? I've been trying to do a lot more video requests, like the one I did with the how to drive manual. I don't know if you guys like that or not, but we could use more stuff like that. Just let me know down below in the description, well, not description, in the comment section, and let me know exactly what you guys kind of want to see from Syrious Media. Oh, another thing, I know a lot of you guys are probably thinking, why is he selling his house and downgrading to an apartment? Well, the thing is, I've lived in that house for 20 plus years. I grew up in that house. And so, you know, the only reason I had that house is because I inherited it. And I was living in Austin beforehand, actually. I was already like living in Austin, trying to get my life like moving forward and things like that, doing my own thing. And I was living in Austin, but I ended up inheriting the house. And so, like, if you know anything about Killeen, Texas, you know that it's Fort Hood, and you know that it's a military town. And so with that being said, all that's there is just like Fort Hood and just military stuff, really. Like, there's nothing there. And well, there's stuff there. Like for fun, what you can do is like go to the movies. We have every restaurant known to mankind, but like for me, being my age, doing the things that I want to do in life right now, I decided it was better for me to just sell the house and start fresh again in Austin, and then just move from there and try and grow from there, and then like branch out from there when I possibly can. Like the end game goal is not Austin for me. The end game goal is somewhere further down the line. You know what I mean? So with that being said, Austin is just a place where I feel like I can be my most creative self, I guess you can say, and push and have a better chance at pushing towards my future, whether that be in social work or whether that just be me doing my hobby, creating YouTube videos and like playing video games and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So it's more of just like a peace of mind, happiness choice of move. Me and my girlfriend, we've been talking about it, and we both decided it'll probably be a good idea for us to just move to Austin and just kind of like start from there and see where we go, and just see what the grind gives us in return. Ooh, boy, look at this cop. He's over here lurking. Man, you're getting somebody today. It ain't gonna be me. It is not gonna be me. You see him right there? Yeah, that's what they do. They lurk, and they try to get you when they can. All right, we're good, boys. We're good. We're good. Just go to speed limit. You're good, baby. You good, baby. All right, guys. So now we're back at home. We're finally back at the apartment. I'm gonna go ahead and do something I've been holding out on. I'm gonna go ahead and hone out this B18 cylinder. I believe it's cylinder 4. I've just been too lazy to actually hone it out now that I actually have the ball hone. So I figured I'd just go ahead and knock it out in this video and show you guys what I'm doing at the same time. So stay tuned. So I guess before we get started, I'll show you exactly what I'm doing and why. If I can show you. All right. If you guys kind of see right there on the inside of the cylinder, you can kind of see that gray area, the shading. That was when I messed up putting in an oil ring. Well, putting in a piston, because the oil rings laid on top of each other. And yeah, that happened. So you can barely catch it with your nail, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a ball hone and go ahead and smooth that out, so I can go ahead and finish putting this block together and finally putting this engine together. Hopefully have it in the B18, and we'll hopefully have it in the EK sooner than later. So, yep. All right, so when you're honing, you kind of want to clean out the cylinder, make sure there's nothing in there, get any dust or dirt that's been sitting in there. I haven't had this covered since I've had it, so there's definitely gonna be a little bit of dirt and dust in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all that out real quick. All right, so once you clean out your cylinder hole, you take a ball hone. What you wanna do is loop it up. So take some WD-40, spray it on there. All right, so never mind. Apparently I'm out of WD-40, so I'm just gonna use some multi-purpose oil. So, yeah. When you're putting in the hone, you want to go ahead and have it going while you're putting it in, and you want to do it at a rate where you're going in at the same rate you're going, at the same rate you're spinning, if that makes sense. And you want to aim for a 45-degree angle crosshatch, and at that point, just do it not too long because you don't want to expand the size of the cylinder.
Moments later.
All right, so after a little bit of honing, we didn't do too much on it. I actually ended up going to dinner and just taking a small break from doing this, but because my drill died. But I can show you guys really quick. You can still see a little bit of it, but it's not bad at all. Like my nail doesn't catch on anywhere of the grooves at all anymore, so it's pretty smooth. So pretty much it is honed, it's good to go. I might give it 1 or 2 more passes. I might do it probably tomorrow, I'm not 100% sure. But other than that, it's good to go, it's smooth. I don't have to worry about any rings catching or anything like that next time I put it in, so yeah. So with that being said, Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I know this video may have been a little bit all over the place. I don't know yet because I haven't edited it yet. Oh God, that was so hard to say. But yeah, I haven't edited the video yet, so I don't know kind of where the video is at right now. But for everyone who has turned into this video, checked it out, appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I deeply appreciate it so much. And if you guys will be there tomorrow at the Texas Honda FK8 meet, hit me up, say hi. I'll give you a sticker or something. Pretty sure I'm gonna bring a bunch of stickers, try to pass them out to people and stuff like that. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys so much. In the next video, we will probably be doing some more EK stuff. We can finally I'll probably finish putting the block together now that I've actually hung out the cylinder finally. Literally, that took like 10 minutes of my time total. And I could have had that done a long time ago, but still, we finally got it done. So that's a good thing. We can finally move on with the B18C1 build. We can go ahead and put the last piston and rod in there and do all that jazz and finally get to putting the head onto the block. So I'm super excited about that. I hope you guys are. I'm really excited to get this EK hatch build going again and all that. So yeah, so there's a lot to look forward to through, there's a lot to look forward to here at Syrious Media. So if you haven't already, like I said earlier, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, make sure you go to SyriousMedia.com. Go ahead, check out the merch. We have hoodies, we have face masks, we have jet tags, we have stickers, t-shirts. We have a lot of stuff going on right now. And I'm hoping to expand on what the shop has and hopefully can expand and sell a lot of variety of things too. So that's kind of the plan I have for SyriousMedia.com right now. So be on the lookout for the stuff I have planned for that as well. So with that being said, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Like I was saying earlier in the video, leave me a comment of what you guys think I should work on, things like that, and or things that you want to see rather, not things that I should work on. But yeah, send me a comment and I can hopefully get to it, and maybe if it's a good idea, we'll actually do it. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Cyrus, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.